Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share subscription boxes, shopping hauls, Temu. I do a lot of Temu. So I hope that you stick around. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you enjoy this video. So today I am sharing, well, I went to the mail and what did I get? A Walmart box, haha. So let's get to it, all right? Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what we got here. This is like a coupon, find the beauty in here. Okay, this is, actually this is a card that tells everything that was in this box, or that could be in the box. I think I got 6 items this time. Usually you just get 5, but anyway, we'll see if I get things I like. All right, so this is just a sample, a foundation. It's Revlon Illuminant Skin Caring Foundation. They just give you some samples here. The first thing I'm gonna pull out here is, this is Impress Press On Falsies. Okay, they're the little sections. You know what? They don't require glue or anything. I think they just press on. Interesting. I'm definitely gonna try them because I get messed up with the glue and all that. So we're gonna try those. So that was kind of a fun thing to get. Let me see if I can, yeah, they are on here. I'm gonna tell you how much they cost. It's a clusters kit and it is $14.97 for 20. I don't think I got 20. I think I only got like 8. So it's not a full size, but anyway, so that is that. The next thing I got here is, it's called Let's Jam. This is a spiraling curl gel. Now I do have some curl in my natural curl in my hair, so I might try this if I want to just do like a wet, curly look. This one right here is a full size. It's $5.97 for a full size. So, and actually this isn't a full size. So it's just a little cheap item, but to try. But that's awesome. Okay, so the next thing I have here is CoverGirl Lash Blast Cleantopia. So I don't know what the Cleantopia means. Plant Powered Clean Mascara, Extreme Lush Volume, aloe leaf extract and ceramide, 100% plant-powered fibers. Actually, it's a really pretty mascara. This mascara is valued at $10.48, and it is a full size. So I paid $6.50 for the box. Right there, that overpaid for the box. The next thing we have here is another sample from Cetaphil. This is a face wash. So I don't know, I think most of us are familiar with this brand. It's a good travel size if you're going for a weekend or something. The next thing I have in here is from Olive and June. I don't know if you've been seeing all the ads, Olive and June. I've been curious about them. This is the long lasting nail. And this is just a red. It's great for holidays or whatever. I know this is a really good nail polish. I'm going to tell you what the retail value is on it. Another full-size product worth $8.98. So we're getting some good value here, guys. And the last thing I have here is Raw Sugar Healing Power Hair Mask. Okay, let's see what this one is. This is $9.97. It's not a full size, but I'm kind of excited about this. Oh, okay. It smells really good. Really clean, fresh, powdery. It kind of smells like if you've smelled like the linen smell in sprays and different things, the linen, that's what it smells like. And I am excited to use this. Right now, I can't get too many hair products because I have been loving the hair products I've been receiving in boxes, and my hair needs lots of help. I've been losing hair and it's dry, and I've been trying to grow it out. It's taken me forever just to get this. My hair does not grow. But anyway, so I'm excited. I've got lots of hair products right now that I can try, and I love a good mask. So that was exciting to get. So I got the mask, the hair mask, the impressed nails. I got the curl hair. I've got the mascara, Cleantopia, really pretty full size mascara. I got the Olive and June and the nail polish and the Cetaphil. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. I also got the sample for the makeup, which I'll try. So anyway, there we go. That's the Walmart beauty box. It's definitely, I'm really loving this box because they just give you good things to try and things that are affordable. Even though the box is usually about, I would say it's usually about 5 times what you pay for it, or 6 times, you know, it just depends on what you get. But usually the value is anywhere from 50 to 80, I would say, as I've gotten in these boxes. So, all right, for the Walmart beauty box. If you want to try it out, I would go for it. Like I said, they're inexpensive and it's a great box. All right, well, thank you, friends, for being here. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, support my channel. I want to mention my giveaway that's going on till towards the end of September, and it is, you need to go to my, I'll put a link up here to my all pink temuhaul, and that you need to enter through that video, and it'll tell you instructions there of how to enter. So anyway, that is it. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.